Hello guys. So in the previous video we have customized the one of the button in the web resource tab. So whenever we are creating a web resource, let's say JavaScript or HTML, so that window have some ribbon buttons. So that one we have modified in the last video. Now in this video we are continuing with other things. So let's say if someone wants to update or do the customization for the dashboard level. So here let me zoom it inside, and here you can see this is mscrm.dashboard.tab. So whenever we create any dashboard or we try to update something in the dashboard, so there are some ribbon buttons. Okay, so these ribbon buttons can be customized from this area. So mscrm.dashboard.tab. So I'm not going to do it right now because it's the same process which we have followed in the earlier videos. So you can select anyone and do the customization, like you can customize the command and everything. So this is possible. Okay, now if we scroll to the right side, similarly we have many other things, like for the dashboard editor tab. In that case these many buttons will be there. And here if we go to the right side, here you can remember that for each chart which we put on the dashboard, we have increase width, decrease width, and increase height and decrease height. So these are the, this is a group. Okay, this is a group of buttons. So these buttons can be like customized. Okay, now here, like this is for interaction dashboard, interaction centric dashboard. So these are the buttons for that kind of dashboard. And after that when we create a chart, okay, so in that case we have this buttons like column chart, bar chart, area. So these can be like modified here or customized from here under this area, visualization designer tab. Okay, now you can also remember that there is one top X rule, top bottom rule. So these are the same buttons which we saw in the chart creation. And this is the global tab, which where we just added one custom button that was opening the this page. Okay, so here whenever we want to add any new button, that we can add here. But there is a limitation. The limitation is like if you try to hide or try to customize any button on this tab, uh, as you can see, let me zoom out. Okay, so here you can see these are the all the buttons. Now if let's say if I want to remove this button or hide this button, or let's say I want to hide this button. Okay, and appropriate button for this advanced find is like this one. Okay, so if I try to hide it, okay, and if I try to publish it, it will not allow me. I will show you in a moment. But apart from that, let me explain other things also. So this is one more thing. Let me zoom into it. So here mscrm dot homepage grid entity logical name dot main tab. So this is for the on home page where a view is shown to the user. So there on click of that we have multiple options like that. So that things those buttons are like here, and that's it. I think there are other, there is no other area. Yeah, the final one is like mscrm.homepage grid entity logical name dot view. So on the view page we have these many filters, save as new personal view. So these are all the things. So you can explore by yourself these things, but let me just show you if we want to hide that advanced find. Okay, and right now I have hide it, so there is a uh, red line you can see here. Now if let me publish it. So now the publish action is completed, and let's go back to the Sales Hub app and let us refresh the page. We'll do it one more time so that all the cache in the browser gets cleared. So as you can see, we tried to hide the advanced find. This is the button, but when we click on here, you can see it's still working. So the same thing I wanted to convey here, that the CRM does not allow to remove, or like, let's say, to customize these buttons from the global command bar. Okay, here also let me show you. This is the advanced find and this is right now hidden. And if you try to see the properties area in the here, like you can see the hide action is already implemented here. And let me show you here also in the solution area, there is also one advanced find. Let's hard refresh this page. And you can see the advanced find option, the button is still there, it's working. So in the summary I can say, you cannot edit or customize these buttons, but you can add one extra button that we have shown in earlier videos. So that's it by this. I hope you have understood, like if we need any kind of requirement where like we just need to do the customization for the global command bar or application ribbons. So how it is possible, that I have shown you in this video series. I hope you have liked this video, and thanks for watching.